Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to get notified when someone views your profile on Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Scroll down and go to Settings. Now click on General Settings. Scroll down. Toggle the button next to Profile View Notifications to turn it on. That's it. Changes has been saved. Now, you will be notified when someone views your profile on Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.